Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So, to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top right side of the screen, and then somewhere right here we're gonna swipe down again, which will show us all the toggles, which one of them will be the screen recorder, which I don't see. So it might mean that we will need to add it ourselves. Let's click right here on this pencil, click on the edit, and we're going to look for it somewhere here. There it is. And I just grab it, drag it here. Oh, yeah, I failed to grab it. There we go. Click on done, done, and you can see it was right here. We're gonna now click on this. It asks us what kind of audio we want to record. We have none, media, and the mic. And also you can record touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot that will be visible in the recording. I'm gonna turn that on just so you can see how that looks like. We can also skip the countdown, and you can kind of see it right here, the dot, just following my finger. Whatever you'll open right now will be for the most part recorded. There are some applications like this, garbage, that you can see it's telling me to log in. So I haven't downloaded this application, it comes pre-installed with the phone. Actually it doesn't, it gets installed after you set up, so that's actually another thing. So I haven't actually downloaded it, nor have I allowed it, nor did I actually agree to the terms of service or anything like that. So anyway, let's just stop the recording by clicking on a square, open up our gallery application, and be introduced with the blatant violation of your personal rights, I would argue. By clicking right here we can extend the albums, and we can go into the actual albums in which you will find screen recordings, and we can now play our screen recording here. So you can see this semi-transparent gray dot, that's obviously where my finger was pressing. Now I opened specifically an application that comes pre-installed with the device that will not be recorded. There is no login page, as you can see, visible, and you wouldn't be able to ever see anything, as Spotify is one of those applications that use this feature to basically block screen recorders. Now, typically this feature is used for security and privacy of the user. Do you feel secure and private right now when you have no control over this? Because I sure as shit don't. So, it's kind of ironic that they're trying to use this feature against piracy, while the Spotify itself basically sprung into existence from piracy. Can you be any more hypocritical? So, for people that are interested in something that would allow you to record it, you can do the same thing with YouTube. YouTube will actually allow you to screen record because, yes, they're not like absolutely trying to violate personal rights, but other than that, look for anything that starts with re and then continues with events, and whatever name of the app, if there is one, the most common one like Spotify, YouTube, and stuff like that, you will find something. And believe me, it won't block your screen recorder, at least I think. So anyway, with that being said, it basically sums up the screen recording video, plus a little bit more. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.